Rose.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, I dropped the soap.
Oh, nako! Alam mo na, pag nasa presinto ka, alam mo na sunod dyan. Kukalawokawan. Oy, iglesia. Gusto ko yung pag talaga Asia, ang ginagamit nila lagi, Chinese. Parang, yun lang, alam nilang Asia na music.
Sister Maria, I'm waiting on you.
Oh, she is? Great.
Alam niya kung bakit. Kaya
Do you guys have air conditioning or no?
Yeah, I have fun.
Fam, but you don't have air conditioning.
No.
Okay.
na-expect yata lahat na pupunta niya may dapat ginawa mo ito bago pa kayo nagkita eh. May internet naman eh.
This is my home. This is my town.
This is starting to get pretty real.
This is
Wow.
real.
It's very poor.
Alam ba niya Pilipinas ng buo?
Most of the houses don't have doors on them. This is real poverty. Is this where you grew up?
Yeah.
And you think I'll be safe?
Yeah, of course. I protect the mosquitoes.
Oh my God.
The jokes. Kinilig ako sa joke mo ah.
How you feel?
I don't believe it. I can't believe I'm here.
Really?
Really.
Yan ang buhay namin dito, Ed. Ulam ka na.
Oh.
Okay, kamukha kita, Daddy.
Happy?
How are you? It's awkward meeting Rose's.
Hindi lang dyan yung buong series na to awkward. Dito naalala ni Ed yung kapatid ni Rose na humingi ng pera sa kanya.
Asked me not to tell Rose.
Parang hindi ba ito yung mga plot ng porno?
What are you doing?
How are you? Nice to meet you. Maria.
Kala niya
Very nice to
magmamano
meet
siya.
you.
Ba't ito awkward itong babae?
This is your store.
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen this on video when we chat.
Oh, yung editing version ginagawa talaga nila awkward. Hindi naman siguro ganyan sumagot yung kapatid ni Rose, di ba?
Follow me,
Okay,
follow me.
okay.
Follow.
Okay.
Paluin. Ngayon, nagkita na sila ng kanyang pamilya, nagkamustahan sila, nagpakilala sa isa't isa, at inaantay ni Ed ang ama ni Rose.
What do you think of my home? What do you think?
Pawis na
Well,
agad si Ed.
they say.
Kalalabas mo lang na
Where are the windows?
ang taxi.
Big windows.
That's not a window. Okay, that's okay. No flying bats or cockroaches.
I don't want
I don't know. You don't know.
Medyo ignorante si Ed sa mga sinasabi niya. Hindi naman ipinahawatig ni Ed na hindi naman niya ina-expect na sobrang yaman ni Rose, pero hindi niya inakala ganito pala kalala ang kanilang buhay.
You know, pretty bad, but this is really bad.
Kaya ka nga nandyan para makaahon kami sa hirap. Ano ba?
Chicken or fish?
And where you gonna sit here?
Yep.
Okay.
In your side.
By your side. In your
A
side.
piggy farm?
Yeah.
Like a pig farm.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
Ah! Yoko na!
Maybe
Tara,
something to
gusto.
drink. Are you guys thirsty?
Ito big may Coca-Cola daw ba kayo?
Pawis na pawis na siya. Oh! Mano!
Oh wow, is this your dad?
Ah, dito ka. Here pa, dito ka.
Hi.
Eh, may
Hello.
kilala mo
Hi.
daw.
How are you?
Fine.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Lako! Nasa na yung bolo ko.
Are you okay with me dating Rose because I'm 1 year older than you?
Mas mababa daw sa'yo ng isa.
Hindi ako sigurado kung sa relasyon ni Ed at ni Rose. Kasi sa internet lang sila nagkakilala eh.
Ngayon gusto muna ng ama ni Rosemarie na mapatunayan ni Tito Ed na kaya niyang panindigan at hindi lang niya tagal na siyang divorce, baka naghanap lang siya ng init ng katawan para magparaos. Para sila magpagpare agad.
I'd like to raise my glass to a wonderful, beautiful family.
Basta taglas.
Thank you for inviting me into your home.
Styro!
I'm still trying to find out whether or not Rose was involved with her sister asking me for money.
Medyo detective pala ito, pambihira pala kukote nito ni Ed eh. Nakakagalaw. Sinabi naman dito ng tatay ni Rose na gusto niya matulog sa katabing kwarto dahil hindi siya sanay na tulog yung lalaki kasama ng babae. Makita mo ba naman yung mukha ni Tito Ed po, tsa? Eto ko, guhubad na ako nun.
Oh, I can help.
na naman, Ed.
Like this?
Yan ba? Para maluto ka ng
She doesn't have a
crispy.
bed.
Dito naman nalaman ni Ed na kailangan nila matulog sa sahig. Nagulat siya na natutulog sa sahig si Rose. At sinabi rito ni Ed na meron siyang sakit sa balat na atopic dermatitis na kinakailangan niya ng tamang kapal ng matres. Hindi matres ng babae, pero yung matres na hinihigaan. At dito siya nagka-problema.
So I preemptively shipped these special sheets to Rose, but they didn't arrive. Now I'm screwed.
Ano yun? Meron siyang condition.
You're not believing? You're here?
I cannot believe I'm here. I really can't believe I'm here.
This
Para mangingiyak pa si Ed.
is my ordinary life.
And you will make it extraordinary. Thank you, Ed, for helping one of our citizens.
Good night.
You're not gonna sleep here?
Oh, here, dito sa kabila.
Oh, you're gonna sleep next door?
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, good night.
Para marinig
Thank
yung
you.
mga ungol nyo. Bawal! Bawal hawakan!
Oh my God, is that thunder?
Ano, kumusta? Kaya dito naman sa Pilipinas, hard mode dito. Tuloy na malakas na bubuhay sa Pilipinas. Mayabang ka sa Amerika. Malamang! Pumunta ka dito! Dito ka magtrabaho. Doon lalabas kung tunay kang malakas.
I'm scared.
You're scared like a big baby. I changed my outfit.
Yung mata niya. Yes? Papalit ka na?
Am I doing? This is insane.
Okay lang Ed. Mahal mo siya, di ba? Mahal mo, di ba? Sigurado.
I just want to lay here and relax.
I wanna go to sleep. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Sabi niya una.
Oh,
There with electricity.
Gotta be relax.
Wala, ka lang niya. It's
I'm
organic.
here. I'm here. Don't panic.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm here.
Great.
Paglabas ni Ed dito, feeling ko kalahati na lang siya ng body weight kasi pagpapawisan siya. Ed, ano, kaya pa ba Ed? Ayan.
Great.
Are you okay?
It was hot. I survived.
Survive?
And
Not comfortable last night?
Yung mukha niya, bad trip. Yun na.
Rose is home. And this was one of the worst nights of my life.
Sinabi dito ni Ed na isa to sa mga pinakamalala niyang gabi. Hindi siya makatulog, hirap siya gumalaw. At ito daw ang unang beses niya matulog nang walang aircon.
And I feel broken.
Kaya parang siya natuluan ng mga butas ng ulan. Ano ba Ed, hindi ikaw yung tabo, ilagay mo yung tabo doon. Hindi ikaw yung pupunta sa ilalim.
It's a lot to take
Okay,
in.
nakadikit yung buhok na sa noon niya.
My bed is wet. I think I just got bit by a mosquito.
Okay lang. High blood na rin yung mosquito kung mag-alala.
I don't want you to be mad, but I don't think I can stay here again.
You can't?
May sakit kasi siya eh. Diba sinabi ba niya?
Don't be
may
mad
sakit
at me, though.
A little bit.
If I got a hotel room, would you come and stay? I kind of want to take you on a little vacation. Just you and...
I wish I could stay to my home and spend time to my son.
Weed.
I miss him, but you're not long time on here, so I give you my effort and time.
Nakatawa eh, no? Kahit mali-mali yung kanyang English, may sense eh. Hindi lang na siya yung parang, oh, kailangan mag-English sa production namin, mama. Marunong talaga siya, ginagamit na talaga.
But I want to ask your dad if I can take you with me.
Yeah.
So please don't say anything to your dad. I'll ask him.
Natawa ako doon sa post ni Ed doon sa pader. Yan na.
Okay, so I know you showed me where the bath was, but I don't know how it works.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, maliligo na sila.
I'm so sore.
Ngayon maliligo na sila kasama ng kanyang ama. Hindi pa daw niya ito natatry at isa pa ito ay normal lang sa ating mga baby. Macho!
Okay, what do we do? Oh my God! Whoa.
Look out! I think Moto likes you. Here he comes.
This has to be the weirdest experience of my life.
What? Paano ka naging weird yun? Ako ba init na init ka na, Ed? Ay, malamig.
Yeah, nice.
Wait a minute. Please, pabuksan ng tubig! Salamat!
Para siya naglilinis ng kotse niya. Yeah.
rabbits and bunnies. Okay, hold on.
Ano, hold on, hindi. Yan na yun. Hindi tumawa. Hindi tumawa ko narinig.
Rose.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, I dropped the soap.
Oh, nako! Alam mo na, pag nasa presinto ka, alam mo na sunod dyan. Patay ka!
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng
Oh my
pangligo.
God.
Ano ba? Ano yung alaga yan?
Rose, what is that?
Matanda na akong iho. Huwag niyo akong patayin.
I think mouse.
Ako naghihina na yung daga.
I think so.
Alaga yan. Si Pedro yan. Pedro! Dito, di na talaga kinaya ni Ed. Di na siya makapag-antay, makapag-book ng bagong hotel para di niya ito kailangan danasin. Kuwawa ka naman, Tito Ed. Okay lang yun. So ito, pupuntahan na nila ang trabaho ng ama ni Rose.
Travel with her dad to a pig farm that he owns.
Para pwede ka rin tumira doon, Ed.
What is this? A bus? Do you pay or no?
No, this is a public gift.
Magbayad ka pa din. Magbayad ka pa din. Yung mukha na, seryoso ka ba?
Freddie, I want him to like me. But there is somewhat of a language barrier between us.
Dapat kasi nag-aral ka ng onting Tagalog. Kahit onti lang, kahit isa lang, wala pa ako narinig sa isa ko di halik. O Ed, sige na Ed, hubad na at sumama ka na. Ngayon dumating na sila doon sa pig farm ng tatay ni Rose. At nagsuot si Ed ng plastic sa kanyang sapatos.
Sapatos pa siya. Maputik.
Hindi naman sinabihan si Ed,
hold on.
grabe naman kay Ed. Madudula si Ed yan. Diba?
Oh.
Walang grip yan.
Okay. Right there, okay. Oh, God. Okay, okay. Okay. All right, sorry. Oh, don't bite me. I think the baggies are making me more slipperier.
Malamang. Ed, ano ba? Puhugin ka dyan. Sige. Ano yung gusto ko?
Ow. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. So, Rose, where does your dad live?
Here. Here, inside.
Hirap pa ako nakatulog
With
ng ingay.
pig.
Does he like living here?
Yeah, gusto mo ba daw pa nandito ka?
Yes, yes.
Parang galit ka, Rosa.
Yeah, this is fun. No, tell him I had a lot of fun.
Natuwa naman daw siya.
Yeah, this was good.
Parang ayaw na niya. Ito. Sige na, alis ka na.
So,
There's
there's something that I wanted to ask you.
Ito, tinanong na ni Ed kung pwede niya isama si Rose sa kanilang bakasyon at ilayo muna siya sa ganitong klaseng buhay.
Okay lang, basta alagaan mo siya ng
We just,
maayos.
I promise.
Matagumpay ang ating puting kabalyero sa pagkuha ng puso ng ama ni Rose.
Because I came to the Philippines to marry Rose, but I'm not 100% sure it's true love on her end.
I have no idea.
I need some more alone time with her before I put a ring on her finger.
Put a ring on it, Ed. So yun, mahal na niya si Rose, pero feeling niya si Rose hindi siya talagang mahal-mahal. Parang mahal lang kasi yung ticket papuntang Amerika. Yun yung nafe-feel niya. So, yung pala yung episode sa lumabas ngayon habang nang pinapanood ko yung buong playlist. Kung gusto niyo abangan natin, mag-react pa tayo sa mga lalabas tungkol dito. Huwag niyo kalimutan i-like para malaman ko gumawa pa nito pag umabot ng 15k likes. Dadaanan pa natin yung mga bagong lalabas. At ayun, kung ano ang wala ka, bumawi ka dito sa puso, di ba? Tiwala sa sarili, yan ang tunay na Pilipino kahit hirap na hirap ka na. So ayun, kung like, share sa inyong may puso na friend, subscribe. PaoLUL.